Having a tough time starting your car? Is your car shaking when you idle? What about that check engine light? A bad purge valve could be the cause. Here's what a bad purge valve is, what causes it, and what it could mean for the functioning of your vehicle. What is a purge valve? The purge valve in a car is a crucial component of the vehicle's evaporative emissions control system. Its primary function is to control the flow of fuel vapor from the fuel tank to the engine's intake manifold. The purge valve helps prevent the release of harmful gasoline vapors into the atmosphere while also ensuring that your engine runs efficiently by burning those vapors when needed. Symptoms of a bad purge valve. A malfunctioning or bad purge valve can lead to various symptoms in a vehicle. Here are 5 common symptoms to watch out for. Number 1. Check engine light. One of the most common signs of a bad purge valve is the illumination of the check engine, or service engine soon, light on your dashboard. The vehicle's onboard diagnostic system detects issues with the evaporative emissions control system and triggers the warning light. Since the purge valve is such an essential part of your car's emissions control, this light will likely illuminate if you have a bad purge valve. Number 2. Rough idle. A faulty purge valve can cause irregular idling or engine misfires. You may notice that your engine runs unevenly, shakes, or hesitates when idling, which can affect overall performance. Number 3. Poor fuel efficiency. A malfunctioning purge valve can lead to an imbalance in the air-fuel mixture, resulting in reduced fuel efficiency. If you notice that your gas mileage has decreased significantly, it could be a symptom of a bad purge valve. Number 4. Strong gasoline odor. An open or stuck open purge valve can cause gasoline vapors to escape from the fuel system, leading to a noticeable gasoline smell inside or around your vehicle. This can also be a safety concern. Number 5. Difficulty starting the engine. In some cases, a bad purge valve can affect the engine's ability to start, especially right after refueling. If you experience issues with starting your vehicle immediately after filling up the gas tank, it may be related to a malfunctioning purge valve. Keep in mind that these symptoms can also be caused by other issues, so it's essential to have your vehicle diagnosed by a qualified mechanic to determine the exact cause of the problem. Complications of a bad purge valve. A bad purge valve can have larger, damaging long-term implications when it comes to the functionality of your car. Here are some things that could go wrong if your purge valve malfunctions. Number 1. Reduced fuel efficiency. A faulty purge valve can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, leading to poor fuel combustion. This can result in decreased fuel efficiency and increased fuel consumption over time, which can strain your engine and reduce its lifespan. Number 2. Emissions issues. The primary function of the purge valve is to control the release of fuel vapors into the engine for combustion, reducing emissions. A malfunctioning purge valve may lead to increased emissions, potentially causing your vehicle to fail emissions tests in areas where they are required. Number 3. Drivability issues. A bad purge valve can cause rough idling, engine hesitation, or misfires. These symptoms can affect the overall drivability of your vehicle and reduce its performance and comfort. While a malfunctioning purge valve itself is not a direct threat to your engine, it's essential to address the issue promptly. Ignoring the problem can lead to other issues down the road, such as increased emissions, poor fuel economy, and potential damage to other components of the emissions control system. Causes of a bad purge valve. A purge valve can go bad due to various reasons. Here are 3 common causes of a malfunctioning purge valve. Number 1. Mechanical failure. Over time, the purge valve can experience mechanical wear and tear. The valve may become stuck in an open or closed position, preventing it from functioning properly. Mechanical failure can occur due to factors like age, exposure to harsh conditions, or debris entering the valve. Number 2. Electrical or wiring issues. Purge valves are often electronically controlled by the vehicle's engine control module, ECM, or computer. Electrical problems, like a damaged wiring harness, faulty connections, or a malfunctioning solenoid, can disrupt the communication between the ECM and the purge valve. This can lead to incorrect valve operation or failure to open or close as needed. Number 3. Carbon buildup. The purge valve is part of the evaporative emissions control system, and it deals with fuel vapors. Over time, carbon deposits and debris from the fuel system can accumulate inside the valve, clogging or obstructing its operation. This can affect the valve's ability to open and close smoothly, causing it to become stuck or malfunction. Regular maintenance and inspections can help prevent some of these issues. If you suspect a problem with your purge valve, it's essential to have it diagnosed and repaired by a qualified mechanic to ensure your vehicle's proper operation and emissions compliance. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. Thanks for watching.